Shahid, and today I am going to be unboxing the Jenga Mini from Olida Toys. Okay, now let me shift the camera so you can see it. Okay, this is the Jenga Mini and it's the colorful edition. So here are 54 pieces and it is the instructions and whatnot. This is a picture of it and these are warnings and precautions. These are some more instructions. Now let's go ahead and open it. So here it states that it is only for 3+. So under 3 years old kids cannot use it. Okay, now let me open it. So here we get 2 wooden dice. I'm not sure what we have to do with these dice. So here we have the whole wooden structure. These are the dice. One is I guess extra for the 2-player. Okay, and this is pretty much what we get. So now let's go ahead and open it. Okay, now let us open it. So I might have to cut it. Wait a minute, let me get the pair of scissors. Okay, so I got the scissors. Let's get this dice out of here. And now I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so this cut should be enough, and we're just gonna slice it open. And here we go. This is a bit hard to unwrap. Let's just do this. Okay, and we will unwrap this. These pieces are a bit slingy. I mean loose, that's a slang word. Okay. So these are the wooden blocks. You can check the quality. These are wooden blocks, and I think the dice is you roll the dice and whatever color it gives you, and the block you have to move. Okay, so let me set this and then I'll show you how to play it.